I'm Arasi Arul, and I'm the founder and CEO of 60 Plus India. Right now, 60 Plus is my journey, and I'm taking it forward. I finished my engineering like every other student here in Tamil Nadu, and then I moved on to start my first company, which was utter failure. In fact, between my college completion and my first company, I got placed because of the college placement, and I was working in one of the big MNCs for 4 months, and I knew right away that I can't work under someone, and entrepreneurship or startups has been my call, or business has been my call. And so I quit after 4 months and I started my first company, Gifting Them, which was a disaster. I failed gloriously. I ran it for 18 months and then I went into a phase of depression, and then I started my second company, and it was a huge success. And then it was always been a rising step for me, and this is my fourth venture. I come from a family of business people. Both my paternal grandfather and my maternal grandfather had run businesses, and all our dinner table talks have been around businesses. I never knew anything else, and my folks were never discouraged of women getting into a business, or women running a company. They were always very encouraging about it, and they've always never given me any second thoughts like, you should be at home, you should be a housewife, or you should not go out, you should not explore opportunities. That has never been the case in my house, which I'm actually very lucky. What happened during COVID? All of us, heard of the word lockdown. Lockdown was so different for us. I mean, the term lockdown was coined during COVID, and so we found it very difficult. Imagine the situation which senior citizens went through. In my house, all my cousins are abroad, and all the senior citizens, my brother and I, who are in Chennai, take care. And we personally underwent this COVID difficulties with a lot of senior citizens, and many of my friends who live abroad actually reached out to us to help their parents who are living alone. There are small things like, the bubble top water. What do we do when our parents house, when we live alone? The guy from the kirana shop brings the water, and we tell him, just put it up in the bubble top stand, and we really don't bother about it, we don't think twice about it. During lockdown, we weren't able to send him inside. The maid picks up the garbage cover and then she throws it out. And during the COVID, we never let the maid inside. A lot of senior citizens can't bend down. Whenever they have dropped something on the floor, someone or the other will come to the house, even if they're living alone. The cook, the maid, the gas guy, the vegetable vendor, the watchman, someone will come in, and we'll ask them to help us out with all those things. None of this happened during lockdown. The amount of trouble the senior citizens who are living alone went through is multi times what we all went through in COVID. Those difficulties are small things we never imagined. And so these are the incidents which triggered us. We helped, like, as a friend, my brother and I nearly helped 50 senior citizens, not only in Chennai, all around India during COVID time. And this triggered, and this made us understand that there's a huge gap. There are so many senior citizens who are living alone and who are suffering, who want help, and that is how 60 Plus India's idea was born. And so after COVID, after nearly a year, in March 2021, we started 60 Plus India. We were in a beta stage before that, but once starting, within the third month, we broke even. And in the last 2 years, 21, 22, 22, 23, we were a profit making company. But our intention was to use a lot of tech and make the life of the children who are living abroad also guilt free and trouble free. So what happened during the first 2 years of running 60 Plus as a service company? We have more than 2,700 customers during those first 2 years, and almost 90% of them were bedridden or inactive or needed some kind of 24/7 constant help. And when talking to these 2,700 customers and their children who are living away from them, what we understood is, this is the insight that we understood and we realized, which is very different from our competitors who are in this field. This insight helped us move to this particular model we are working on right now, so that we can help the senior citizen age better. We realized that these senior citizens during their early 60s, as soon as they retired, they became inactive. They were lonely. Their children had left abroad. They had something called work, which kept them active 24/7, 365 days. And once they retire and once they cross at 60, they became inactive. They were looking out for things. They were not looking out for life at all. You talk to your child or your grandchild once a day. What do you do the rest of the day? All your friends around you are old. People were dying. They were seeing older citizens, their friends, their neighbors, whom they used to grow up together, passing away, moving on to different cities, moving on with their children. And so that have a terrible mental impact on these senior citizens. And so the differentiation that we have among from the other customers or competitors is that we understood this difference and we are catching them young. We have created a community for these senior citizens who are in their early 60s to not feel lonely, to make friends, to be active, and to make use of their time usefully. See, 60 plus was developed only for the senior citizens. We are not like, say, Swiggy, or no, Swiggy would be a bad example. I'm not like Zoho, who would only cater to other businesses. We are not like a hospital which is only specialized in cardiac. We created the company only for senior citizens. And so, yes, but this model can be replicated for disabled peoples. This model can be replicated for single mothers. This model can be replicated for mentally or physically handicapped teenagers. But right now, it's the model was developed only for senior citizens.